3D design. So one of the first things that we're going to do in this class is learn about the principles of design. You may have heard about these before, but now you'll really learn about them from me. So you should get, now that you know where your cubby is and everything, go ahead and take your bin out and probably just keep it at the table with you. Or even on the floor right next to you or something, because there's lots of worksheets in there and there's a pencil for you and everything. So have that right next to you. And the worksheet that you need right now is here, Principles of Design. Follow along, okay? Now, one principle of design you're probably already aware of is pattern. Patterns like all over the place, but there's a lot of other ones that really need some explaining. Even pattern, you need to explain it a little bit because we recognize it when we see it, but then we don't know how to like describe it. So go along with the videos and everything I explain. Try to pay really, really good attention because some of these principles of design are very similar. So you need to know the difference between like visual movement and rhythm. Those two are very similar. So just really pay attention. And what you should do is take notes, and I'll give you credit for this stuff, okay? So hold on to all this stuff. Take notes and put them in your own words. I really recommend that because definitions are so like wordy and like blah blah and like they sound so foo-foo fancy, and it's like, dude, what does that definition mean? So I really take the time to explain things and show examples to make it much easier for you. Like what's unity? Like United States of America, huh? What? But unity in art has its own kind of look and its own kind of definition and everything. So really try to take in what you hear me say as I explain. I try to make it really simple. Go ahead and take notes about what these different principles of design are. And then another thing I recommend that you do as well is after you like write down the explanation, draw a little picture to help remind you of the different principles of design, how they kind of look typically. Because things like emphasis looks a lot different than like rhythm, okay? Emphasis looks a lot different than symmetrical balance. Yeah, take your notes. I'll give you credit for this. You will use this later again, so you really need to keep this. And just do your best, and let's learn about something new today. And that's it. Get ready. On to the next video.